Hello and greetings from Search Technology. Founded in 1980, Search Technology focuses on providing software tools to support decision-making in business intelligence, competitive technical intelligence, as well as R&D management. Our flagship software, VantagePoint, is a text analysis program that empowers analysts to discover new ideas. The power of VantagePoint lies in the ability to navigate, analyze, and visualize the output from bibliographic databases as, for example, patent, scientific, government, and market research. Drawing from a wide variety of capabilities, users truly drive the analysis on their terms. As we all know, the analyst job is challenging and rewarding. The environment can vary industry to industry and company to company. Whether you're a subject matter expert or generalist, you have a unique understanding of your organization's needs. To this, you bring a unique terminology, a lexicon or classification, if you will, that is important to communicating your findings. As a result, we recognize communicating the unique control you require is crucial to empowering you to convey analysis in an accurate and timely manner. VantagePoint has a loyal and enthusiastic user base. Testimonials such as this by a longtime user from one of the largest IP law firms in the UK speaks to the power of VantagePoint to clean and analyze data as needed. And this from a patent analyst with a multinational consumer goods company who values the versatility, options, and control VantagePoint offers. Be it discovering underlying concepts in text based on term clustering, or identifying concept overlap with cluster mapping and VantagePoint's dynamic interactive UI. The application allows users to explore and discover competitive and technical insights important to researching freedom to operate and degrees of obviousness. A wide variety of deliverables VantagePoint offers allows users to report their findings clearly and concisely. The VantagePoint Auto-Classifier is a useful tool, giving the analyst the ability to classify records based on their understanding of the data. Training the Auto-Classifier is part of the VantagePoint software as it is local to your computer. The analyst defines and manages the classifications along with assigning training fields that the Auto-Classifier quote reads. The process of training the Auto-Classifier is optimized with the help of an AI-driven document reviewing process. The process of training the Auto-Classifier begins with assigning the training fields, typically text such as title and abstract or possibly the claims. In addition, the user builds the classifications and related categories. Once these are ready, the user starts the smart trainer that optimizes the training of the Auto-Classifier. As a result, document review is no longer random but organized based on an AI-assisted document review process. We call this analysis-defined AI-based training, where the analyst designates the Auto-Classifier's training fields, here the abstract and title, where the analyst sets up their own classification and categorization, where they gauge the training competency, and where the trained Auto-Classifier knowledge base is reused and shared. The Smart Trainer monitors Auto-Classifier training. As classification progresses, the confidence gauge lets the analyst know when the time is right to start auto-classifying the remaining records. In this example, 181 of the total 856 records were used to train the Auto-Classifier to a 75% competency. Opening the Auto-Classifier settings allows you to evaluate the training progress by category. The bias lists of keywords helps to focus auto-classification, and the word cloud view gives you added insights. With VantagePoint, you're free to discover, understand, and decide. Discover what the data truly holds, so you further your understanding and make better decisions with confidence. Make sure you stop by the booth to learn more. Thanks and see you soon.